For a plant to achieve its full potential, it needs proper care and nutrition. As specialists in the field of growing, we welcome the opportunity to give you all the information you need. Canna Coco nutrients are used during the plant's growth and flowering phase. Canna Coco nutrients contain ingredients that ensure that essential nutrients are released by the substrate. The plant will need these during the all-important growth phase. They will ensure that your plant gets stronger and grows faster when you use Canna Coco substrate. When you feed a plant with Canna Coco, some of the elements it contains will be absorbed by the cocoa substrate, including nitrogen, calcium, and magnesium. Next, the cocoa fibers will release potassium and phosphates into the nutrient solution held between the cocoa fibers. The root can then absorb this mixture from the cocoa substrate, and the nutrients can be transported around the entire plant. Nitrogen moves directly into the roots. It is nitrogen that makes the cells divide and multiply, making the plant grow. The multiplication of cells starts with a division of the cell's nucleus, which contains the genetic information. Nitrogen is required when the DNA proteins replicate themselves. Nitrogen, phosphorus, and calcium enter the cell, making it grow. The nitrogen acts as building blocks, while the phosphorus and calcium make up the cement that binds these blocks together. More and more roots and branches appear. Together, they form the root system. The elements are also sent up from the roots to the plant's growth buds. These buds will turn into new stalks with leaves. The cells in the leaf multiply in the same way as seen in the roots. When a new cell has been created, the other elements start to flow in. These elements attach themselves to the protein structure, and this forms a kernel which turns green. The nitrogen and the metals together create the chlorophyll of the leaves. The leaf grows and produces more and more chlorophyll. The plant becomes bigger, creating branches and making more leaves. The plant will now enter the flowering phase and will require a different balance of nutrients. As soon as the plant creates its first flowers, increase the dose of Canna Coco nutrition according to the growth schedule, so that more phosphorus and potassium will be released from the cocoa substrate. In this way, a combination of nutrients with the cocoa substrate will be produced especially for the flowering phase. The additional nutrition will ensure that the flowers develop and grow to their maximum potential. As soon as the flower has reached its full size, it will start to fade. However, the ovary will remain and swell. This is the start of the next phase, when the ovary will need more phosphorus and potassium. If we look deeper into the ovary, you can see that there is a water compartment inside the cell. This compartment contains potassium as well as water. Potassium raises the EC in the plant and pressurizes the